This 26-inch MelWinForee Electric Ukulele feels well-balanced in the hands and offers a comfortable scale for both younger players and adults. The bundle is thoughtfully assembled with a padded carrying case, strap, tuner, spare strings, picks, and cleaning cloth, so beginners can start playing without extra purchases. Its built-in electronics let you practice quietly as an acoustic instrument or plug into the included amplifier when you want more volume and presence. The design caters specifically to left-handed players, with controls and layout that make chords and strumming feel natural instead of forced. For an electric ukulele in this class, the pickup delivers impressively clear tone, and the matched amplifier helps project a clean, punchy sound for rehearsals or small performances. Overall, build quality, from the neck alignment to the fretwork and hardware, inspires confidence that this instrument can handle regular practice and casual gigging.